My people, you'll be wondering what I'm frying. These are healthy oats puff puff. It's good for you when you are trying to lose weight, and it can also help you to reduce your sugar level. So guys, if you want to see how I made this lovelies, watch this video to the end. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So on the table you can see what I have to prepare my oatmeal. I have here my all-purpose flour. We are going to be using 2 cups. Then I have here my oats. We are using 1 cup, and I'm going to be blending it to a very smooth powder. Then this is the yeast. I'm using 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then I'm using just 2 tablespoons of milk. You know it's healthy, and I don't want to add too much sweet things in this. Then I have my sweetener here. I have 2 tablespoons of sweetener. I'm not using sugar because I don't want it to be too sweet, but you can add sugar if you are a sweet tooth. Then I have salt here, half teaspoon of salt. This is cinnamon. I have half teaspoon of cinnamon. And vanilla, I'll be using half teaspoon of vanilla when it is time for me to measure it in. So now what I'll do, I'll just blend the oat. So guys, this is the blended oats. It's so smooth. You have to make it to be so smooth. So now I'll be adding all the dry ingredients. We are using mostly dry ingredients apart from the warm water we are going to use. So now I'm adding in the all-purpose flour. I'll stir very well to combine. So add in the dry active yeast, cinnamon, salt, sweetener, and then I'm adding in the milk. You can use condensed milk too, and you can use evaporated milk, but I'm just using this powdered milk. Or you can even make it liquid, add some warm water to make it the liquid form. So I'll combine everything together. You can see how it's looking now. So guys, we are using warm water, lukewarm water, not hot water. So I have 600 mils here. By the time I start adding it, I'll now know the quantity of water that we'll use for this. So now I'll start adding the water gradually. We don't need a running consistency, not too thick and not runny. So I'll still keep adding water. At a point, I'll have to take away my spatula and then use my hand. At this point, I'll add in my vanilla so it can incorporate into it very, very well. So this is half a spoon. I'm adding just half because of the cinnamon, so that it will have balanced flavor. So I'll just add some more water. So it's in 200. That means we use 400 mils of water. From 600 to 200, so we use 400 mils of water. Let me wash my hand and I'll come back to use my hand to do it. So I'm doing this because I don't want it to have any lump. Do this until you find no lump in it. So this is what we have. You can use a cling film to cover your bowl, or you can use a towel, then place it in a warm place to double in size. So we are okay now. Just cover it and allow it to rest for 40 minutes to 1 hour. It depends on how warm your room is. Or you can even on your oven, put it off and then keep it there. So let's wait for it to double in size. So guys, after 40 minutes, this is what we have. You can see it has doubled in size. So now we can fry in hot oil. So this is what we have. So over to the gas cooker, let us fry our healthy oats puff puff. So guys, you can see the oil is hot now. I just had to add one ball so I know the oil is hot. So we'll now start putting in our balls of puff puff. You can cut it the way it suits you. This is the way it's so easy for me to cut. That is why I cut mine like this. And guys, when you are frying, let the oil not be too hot. You fry on medium heat so that the inside will be cooked and the outside. Because if the oil is too hot or the fire is too hot, then your puff puff won't be cooked inside, but the outside will be brown. So my people, this is what we have here. You will agree with me that these are so lovely. Our healthy oats puff puff. So just allow it to be brown, then you can take them out. It is cooked. And mind you, when you are frying this puff puff, don't overcrowd it in the oil so it will have space to turn in the oil. So guys, they are okay now. I will take them out, place them in my paper towel so that the excess oil will be taken out. But guys, if you are watched up to this moment and you haven't subscribed my channel, please do. And if you have been following me, thank you so very much. Let me know where you are watching from so I can give you a hug. Please keep liking and keep sharing. So now out of the hot oil. Wow, that one fell out. This is a must try. Just try it and let me know how yours is. So guys, you can see the beauties that we have here. So good and looking so yummy. Try it and you see what's there. See, you can see how nice looking the inside is and see how the outside is. So guys, if you have watched me up to this moment, thank you so very much. And I'll see you in my next bye bye. Let me just throw this in my mouth now.